Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore a powerful new feature in ERPNext version 16. The feature is allow editing of items and quantities in work order. This feature gives you a more flexibility in manufacturing by allowing you to modify raw materials and quantities directly inside the work order without the system resetting them as per the BOM. Let's see how it works step by step. In earlier version of ERPNext, when you created a work order from BOM, the raw material were automatically fetched. If you edited the quantities manually, the system would reset them based on the BOM. This was difficult when there was a material wastage adjustment, slight quantity variation was required, alternative material were used. Now in ERPNext version 16, this limitation is solved. We have to enable this setting. Go to manufacturing setting. In the manufacturing module, you can find out the BOM section, and here we have a checkbox, allow editing of items and quantities in work order. You can enable this checkbox and click on save. Now before enabling this, we can go through the standard process first. So let's go to the BOM. So in the new tab, I have a BOM created for a plastic chair, and we can see some of the raw material like plastic granules, color master batch, steel screws, and I have added some required quantities to manufacture this plastic chair. Now I have created one work order for a 10 quantity. Now system is fetching the quantities based on the BOM, and we can see the required quantity here. Now if I try to edit anything, let me refresh. Now if I try to edit anything, so it is a disabled by default. So I cannot add a new row or I cannot edit any quantity. Right? Now if I go back to manufacturing setting and enable this particular feature, let's save this. Let's go back to the work order. Let's refresh the form. And now if I click on the required quantity column, now we can see it is now editable, even though we can add a new row. Right? So we are able to add a new row as well as we can change the quantity. So let's say instead of 12 kg, if I need more 2 kgs, I can change this and we can save this. So now it's getting changed in a real time inside the work order level. So system does not reset the quantities even if you update the work order or refresh it. This is the power of this feature. That's it for today. This is one of the most practical and useful improvement in ERPNext version 16 manufacturing module. If you found this helpful, like the video and comment your questions. Subscribe for more ERPNext tutorials. Thank you.